Hey, is your make.com webhook not working? Like it's not triggering your scenario at all? Yeah, that's a pretty common issue. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, double check your webhook URL. Even a small mistake can break everything. Make sure it matches exactly, no extra spaces or missing characters. Next, click run once in your scenario. Yeah, this puts make into listening mode. Now send your webhook request again. Now test your webhook manually. Send a test request to the webhook URL and see if make receives it. Also, make sure you're using the correct request method. Most webhooks use post-OR, so yeah, double check that in your app. Next, check your data format. If the data isn't in the expected format, like invalid JSON, the webhook won't work. Okay, now check the app sending the webhook. Make sure it's actually sending data and there are no errors on that side. Another thing, firewalls or VPNs can block webhook requests. So try disabling them and test again. If it still doesn't work, delete the webhook and create a new one. Yeah, sometimes a fresh webhook fixes everything, and that's it. Your make.com webhook should now be working properly. Just go step by step and your automation will start triggering again. Hey, I'm getting a module